Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make this intro in After Effects. So it's pretty basic, but just something that I wanted to show. So first things first, I'm just going to delete everything. Okay, because I started and I messed up. So I apologize right now if you can't see my mouse. I hate how it does that. Tried to find out how to make it so that you could see it, but I guess there's no way. Okay, so we are going to now make a new composition and just name it intro. 30 frames per second, as big as you want, whatever you want. Background color has to be black though. Well, it doesn't have to be, but it looks better. So now we want to go to layer and make a new solid. And now we're just going to name this ramp. Now we can go to effect, generate, then ramp. Now we are going to change the end color right here. Just click on this, put it black. And the start color, I'm going to do a dark blue / purple. That doesn't matter. You can change that however you want, but make sure. Now we're going to change this to radial ramp. And I'm just going to put that down a little bit and put that down. Oh yeah, up. Okay. Now we are going to click on the text tool and name this, or just type in, I'm just going to type in intro. And I like the Courier font because it's sort of like a Minecraft text font thingy. And I like that because for a gamer's channel and that does Minecraft videos, that's perfect. So now we're going to click on this intro right here. You do Control D. And then we're going to name this back one. Click on it, press enter. Name this intro BG for background. And then just name this intro. Okay. And now we're just gonna select both of these and just make it as big as you want. So that's good. So now let's see. Now we want to. Okay, sorry, I went to go eat dinner right there, so I don't remember what I was saying, but I'm just gonna go to what we need to do next. So we're gonna go to effects and presets. Should make this bigger, and we're gonna type in CC for fast blur. CC radial fast blur, that's what it was. And this little dot right here shows where it's going to be going away from. So where that dot is, the light, if you can see that light, the light's going to be going away from it. Oh, and I need to undo all of this. You want to put this right over here on this intro background. Okay. You can change the amount to how much you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna keep mine on 50 and I'll do like 65. That's good. Okay, now see. Oops. Center, we're gonna put this right there. Right in the middle. Okay. Now, we are going to add a glow and just put that right there. I like to do that. Put all of this down. Put that up actually. I'll put that down for sure. Yeah, something like that. Actually, you don't want the threshold down. Okay, now we're going to add over here and type in 4-color gradient. This is right there. We're going to add it onto this intro background. And then we have 4 colors that we can change to whatever we want. So I'm going to do like purple. There, that's good right there. Except instead of green, I'm going to do, I don't know, like a red. And I'm going to turn this to bright blue. And turn this to dark blue. And I'm going to keep this bright. Oh, okay. Alright. Now we need, we're gonna want another glow and put that on the top layer this time, and we will put up the intensity to however you want. So, yeah, like that or like that would be what I would do. And change the intensity to however you want. I'm gonna keep it low though, because it looks better to me. Now we're gonna search for ramp or for color gradient. It doesn't matter. If you want 4 colors in this little sign thingy, then do a 4-color gradient. But if you just want 2 or 1, then I would just do a ramp. So now we have this. Oh, I actually am going to do 4-color gradient. Sorry. 4-color gradient, and just plop that on there. Now let's see, I'm going to do these all cyan color. And just like that. I actually want it to be a little lighter. Yeah, perfect. Okay, what's going on? Alright, that's good. Now we are gonna search for light sweep. CC light sweep. Okay, now put that on the top intro. And you can, if you have this, you can see there's like a light that passes through the letters. And there's some things you can change. You can do the direction. I'm gonna keep that like that though, you'll see later. Okay, now that's ugly. Alright, so let's see. I like to do that on top. It doesn't really matter though. I don't know, I just like to do it. And this doesn't really do anything. This doesn't change anything. Nothing that I found, at least. So where's the part? Oh, this is glow. What am I doing? I want over here. So I like to put this straight up. And I already said that, I think. Yeah. So I like to do this smooth or sharp. I'm actually going to do sharp this time. And you can change the width, but I'm going to keep it small. Sweep intensity. So the brightness of it, the intensity of the glow. Edge intensity. I like to have that up. And edge thickness, which kind of makes it a little softer. So now, if you don't want it to be white, you can change this to composite, I think it was, and then you can change this to whatever you want. Yeah, so you can see now there's like a goldish color that passes through, and you can do whatever you want. So you can change it like to red, which doesn't look very good on a blue background, but yeah, and that would be cool if it was thicker, like if it was wider. So I'm just gonna keep this on add. I'm gonna put this back to white, and I'm gonna see it black. I want to know what that does. Oh, okay. So now we're pretty much done. Now we just need to do the animations. So we're gonna go back to intro background, and we will go to our CC radial fast blur, and okay, and we want to click on this button right here, this center button. Oops. And you can put it either over here or over here, or wherever you want, I guess. But for this, I'm going to be putting it right there. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to, now we're going to go up to the end, and you're going to put the center over here. So you just drag this little thing over there. And so now, when it's passing through, it will sort of, the light will go in a different way. We'll start switching. So, I'm going to turn that to brightest, and I'm actually going to turn this amount up. Whoa, not that high. Something like that. Looks nice. Now we're going to go to our top layer, intro, and gonna click on CC light sweep, and we are going to do this stopwatch on center. And now we can click this little button and put the center right there. Move this down a little bit. Oh, it doesn't do anything, I forgot. So now we're gonna go to the end once again and just move this up there, right over there. So that's it, guys. You're done. You just made a cool intro. If you want to be cooler and if you have a couple things to say, you can sort of go like this. Make all the keyframes to make it so that when you get halfway or something, I'm just gonna go 2 seconds. We're gonna make it so that it's over there now, so it goes faster. And then Wait, so if you don't have a couple things to say, then there's no point in watching this. So if you don't have two different, like, words that'll be on the screen, or in the first screen that says starting paying games, and the next one that says subscribe, you know, something like that, then just stop watching. You're done. But if you don't, then I'm gonna show you what's going on. What had just happened? That was weird. What's going on? I'll be right back. Okay, well, I don't know what's going on. It's being retarded right now. Okay, now, so, sorry about that. Now, we can, I forgot where I was. So we can turn the radial fast blur, do the same thing. So we go back, we'll stop that, and then we'll make it so that right here it's like that. Oh wait, other side. Okay. So now it's gonna be like that. So in 2 seconds it will have gone through all of that, and oh, CC radial fast blur is not doing it. What it's supposed to. I'm gonna put this down. Why isn't this? So right here, it's gonna be over there. And then in 2 seconds, it'll be over here. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna get a fade out. Fade out slow. And we're gonna put that on both of them. Why didn't it work? Oh, okay. Okay, but we want it to be... I'll be right back in a second. Okay, sorry guys. Don't put that on. It actually is not what we want. Okay, so we are just going to make a keyframe. So, O for opacity, isn't it? Or is it R? No, it's P. No. T? Yeah. So now when we were at right here, we're going to click on this. It's 100%, and now we're going to go right here, and now it's going to be 0. Do the same thing for right here. Click on T, click the stopwatch. Oops. We want to actually... Wait, okay. So now go right here, click the stopwatch, put it at 0, and then come back to 2 seconds, put it back to 100. So now it's gonna do its thing. I'm gonna drag this slower so it'll render faster. So, my After Effects crashed, and I completely forgot where I was. So, oh, I remember. I was just about to play how it was like, but as soon as I pressed the play button or something, I just crashed. So, I'm just gonna say, to put the second word in, you'll just make a duplicate of the intro and intro background and aim it to whatever you want, or change the text whatever, and then you can just have it fade in and then do the same thing that this did. So I'm putting a download, maybe, haven't decided yet. I might put a download for this, and if I end up doing it, if you want to just download that, if you post any videos that has that introduction, only if you downloaded this. So if you downloaded it and change the text whatever, just make sure that whenever you make a video, just make sure that you put in the description that this template was made by me. So that's the only way you'll have copyright permissions from me. So thanks for watching this so far. If you got here, this was a long video, 22 minutes almost. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.